पाकिस्तान प्रेस क्लब यूके और राज डेल कौंसिल की मुश्तरका तकरीब में मशहूर सहाफ़ी और प्रेजेंटर तलत अवान को इनकी सहाफ़ती खदमात के तरफ में महमूद हाशमी अवार्ड दिया गया। तकरीब में मेयर राज डेल कौंसिल फैसल राना, कौंसल जनरल अताशी मिसबा नौरीन और दीगर अहम शख्सियात मौजूद थीं। तलत अवान ने कहा, ये एजाज़ मेरी जिम्मेदारी बढ़ाता है, हमेशा सच और रसूलों के साथ सहाफ़त जारी रखूँगा। आइए मज़ीद देखते हैं इस रिपोर्ट में।
He's worked in Asian Sound Radio, BBC Radio, Manchester, Lancashire. He's been producer of Asian programs, and he has also launched Asian World and Indus programs.
For this honour, I wish I knew a bit more about Mahmood Hashmi, and Mr. Nizami gave a lovely history of this gentleman and the role that he played in Rochdale. And basically I've been with the BBC for over 26 years now, perhaps a bit longer. And primarily I worked in mainstream media, but I had a passion for communities, and so I then entered the world of community journalism and decided to report on our communities and the positive things that go on in our community, as our previous speakers talking about some of the negativity that we have in our communities, which is always a challenge, but we have to take on that challenge. So it's been a real privilege and an honour to be able to serve our communities through our media. I've worked with our commercial stations here, as well as the BBC. In terms of language development, and of course Mr. Khan, we used to feature him on our programmes many times over the years, so we're very grateful for that too. But in terms of language development, we try to keep our languages alive through our programs, and our regional programs we used to have were in Urdu, Punjabi, Bengali and Gujarati. But sadly, over the years, with the BBC cuts that we were facing, our programs came to an end. But we continue that through the few news magazine programs that we have left, and we promote language through our music, and we continue to do that. It's still a challenge ahead to keep our culture and our music and our languages alive, but we hope we can do so in honour of those who have been doing so over the years. So thank you very much for this award, most appreciated, and thank you, Mr. Mohammed, for inviting me and recognising this. Thank you.